this is really nice. Cool market. Do you recognize where I am? Krungthep Apiwat, which is Bangsu Station, the new train station where most trains depart from. And we're leaving Bangkok because city life is nice and all, but I really like the sea a lot more and something more calm for now. So I'm gonna head to Hua Hin, and so we're gonna take a train ride. Let me show you. Right as you enter Bangsu Station or Apiwat Krungthep, you can buy tickets over the counter, but I would recommend buying them online because sometimes they sell out. So to book your tickets online, I went for a site called Bao, which I don't think is the official one. For some reason, I could not access the official SRT, which is the State Railway of Thailand website. You can try and find that yourself, which is the, safest bet. But I can confirm now that Bao worked absolutely fine. So go to that site and then just check tickets Bangkok to Hua Hin, and then book the class you would like and the date you would like. So really simple. Okay, let's get on with the journey. Okay, let's continue on to the gate. Heading to Hua Hin, Gate E. Here we have it, train number 171, departing at 3:10, boarding 2:50. So let's get something to eat while we wait. As you can see, there are lots of places to eat at the station while you wait. Right over here, we have my favorite, stir-fried basil or pad kapao. สวัสดีครับผัดกะเพราหมูครับใช่ครับแพ็คนิดหน่อยครับครับผมครับ Okay, pad kapao mu, or stir-fried pork with basil and rice and an egg. It cost me 60 baht. One of my favorites in Thailand. That was incredible. Aloy Mark. Goodbye, food court. Let's go find our platform. Long distance trains. Platform E over here. Okay, let's go. All right at the gate. So today I am in third class. Let's check it out. Have the old squatty potty. There is no AC in here, but it's very cheap. It costs 94 baht. And I'll show you some pictures of the other types, like first class and second class. Not bad. No AC, but we have a fan. As the train pulls away from the bustling heart of Bangkok, the city's lively chaos fades behind us, and a new journey begins. The train hums along, weaving its way through Thailand's vibrant landscapes, offering a slow, meditative view of the world just outside the window. At first, the scene is familiar: towering skyscrapers, busy roads, and crowded streets. But soon, the cityscape gives way to the outskirts, where life moves at a more leisurely pace. You'll catch glimpses of roadside markets, temples, and golden spires, and locals going about their day. The concrete jungle dissolves as we head further south,
Fields of green, sprawling rice paddies stretch endlessly toward the horizon. You can almost feel the peace in the air as the scenery transforms. Farmers work diligently in the fields, water buffaloes grazing nearby, their reflections shimmering in the flooded paddies. This random Thai man falls asleep on my shoulder, bless him. He must have had a busy day in the city. I just wish he could see what I see outside the window here. It is truly magical. As the train continues its journey, the distant mountains come into view, cloaked in a gentle haze. We pass through small villages where the rhythm of life feels in sync with the train's steady pace. Palm trees sway lazily in the warm tropical breeze. By the time we approach Hua Hin, the landscape has passed golden hour and into darkness. You'll catch glimpses of the Gulf of Thailand, its waters sparkling in the last few rays of sun. Fishing boats dot the shoreline, and the scent of the sea subtly fills the air. The journey, though just a few hours long, feels like a transition from the frenetic energy of Bangkok to the laid-back allure of Hua Hin. It's a journey that invites you to slow down, take in the beauty of the land, and savor every moment along the way.
Okay, arrived in Hua Hin. Time to go find a hotel, shall we? Let's go. Ride a train in third class. It'll be fun, they said. Just sit there for 5 hours with no legroom in the heat, with no AC and only a fan. Oh, but I'm here. 94 baht. Worth it. Okay, let's explore Hua Hin. Can I just say, what a cool station actually. Really cool, beautiful. I mean, this is really nice. I like it a lot. I mean, what a cool little town this is. Look at this. Just me, or are the tuk-tuks much bigger here than in Bangkok? Anyway, it's just a short walking distance tonight. Okay, hotel acquired. Quick room tour before I mess this up too bad. Right, pretty simple one, I think. But should do the trick. Nice double bed. This is a little older standard, but you know, nice. I'll put it on the screen right now what it's called, but here is the bathroom. Simple as well, but it will definitely do for me. Some towels and the shower. Hey, how you doing? Me? Well, I'm sweaty after a 5-hour train ride in third class, but I'll be all right. Hua Hin has a nice night market and a lot more foreigners than I was expecting, actually. Cool market. Let's find something to eat, shall we? Maybe no.
สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีครับ
บัตรอะไรนี่แหละ เหมือนว่า
Something like this. Ended up going for pork, rice, Thai tea. Delicious. Okay, finally found our way to the sea. Stay tuned for more from Hua Hin. I'll see you in the next one.